Hey there, welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Jenny, and this is Lauren, and we're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. Today, we are frying up something fun in the kitchen.
That's right, Jenny. Today we are taking broccoli and cauliflower, and we're making some Parmesan broccoli cauliflower bites.
Yes, I love this. It's such a fun new way to eat vegetables.
Yes, and we're using something called the air fryer, which you can see here, which is really awesome to make nice and crispy foods without deep frying them, so a little bit better for us too.
Yeah. All right, so what we have in front of us so far, we've got some whole wheat flour, eggs that we've just lightly beaten, and then some panko breadcrumbs. And this is what we're going to dip our veggies in to create a nice crispy coating.
Yes.
So to the panko, I'm going to add some Creole seasoning, and you can find that in our spice aisle. And then just a little bit of grated Parmesan cheese.
And if you prefer not to use the Creole seasoning, you could definitely substitute with another seasoning mix, omit it all together. But we think the Parmesan really does give it that nice, cheesy, crunchy flavor.
Super good. All right, and then this next step is pretty easy. It's just a little messy.
All right, you're gonna get in there?
I'm gonna get in here. So we're just gonna take our broccoli and cauliflower florets. We actually purchased just pre-cut ones. It's a little easier than having to chop it up yourself.
And these are so much better than when I chop them up. These are much more uniform, perfect for our bites.
So flour, and then coat it in egg, and then get it in the panko.
Here, I'll pull
Thank
this
you.
out. What we've already done is just sprayed it with a little bit of olive oil or cooking spray. The great thing about the air fryer is, unlike deep frying, it doesn't require really hardly any sort of oil. So how it works is that there is a fan in the air fryer, so just like a convection oven, and it spins really, really quickly, which helps create that really crispy crust on things, which is what we're looking for, especially these bites, without having to add a ton of oil. Yeah. So only just a little light spraying of that oil spray is all we need just to prevent it from sticking.
And one thing that I really like about this is it kind of hides the veggies. So if you have kids in the family that aren't a huge fan of eating vegetables, this is a great way to kind of sneak it in there.
Or just picky eaters in general. We haven't tried these options, but we want to use this same setup here to do other veggies. So you could do green beans, you could do asparagus. We have made pickles, air fried pickles before.
Those are really good.
Yes. What else have we done? We've done cheese curds. Those
Classic
were really good. Yeah, you could use other veggies, just using the same setup with flour, egg, and then the panko mixture.
And like you said, you can really mix up the seasonings and just do whatever your heart desires.
Yes, and it's something too where if you do have kids at home, this is a fun activity. It is a little messy, but it is fun. Just going through the different steps, coating it, and then you put it in the air fryer. And what's nice too about the air fryer is things cook very quickly. So these will only take about 5 to 6 minutes to cook. We had it preheating ahead of time to 400. That just saves time of it actually having to heat up while you're doing your prep.
Okay,
These look good.
Yeah.
And the important thing too with the air fryer is that we don't want to overcrowd that basket. So really just putting some in so it fills up the surface area, but not overcrowding it.
Yeah, you don't want to stack it high.
Right.
Want the air to be able to move around in here, so.
That looks good, Jenny.
I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands.
So, like I said, we have this heating up 400. So I'm gonna just push our basket in, and you can hopefully hear that fan going really, really quickly. It has a timer up here too, so just 5 to 6 minutes. The nice thing too is throughout you can just open up the basket and take a peek to see if they're done or not. So very similar to an oven. So we'll just let that go and come back when they're ready.
Okay, so it's been about 5 to 6 minutes, so let's take a look, see how they're doing.
Oh, they look so
beautiful. Nice and
really crispy. I love how they get nice and brown too in the air fryer.
Yeah. Oh, yum.
They smell good too.
They do. Okay. Should we cut one of these up and give it a try? Gonna be hot.
Because they're hot. So today we're serving with marinara. We just felt like it pairs really nicely with the Parmesan cheese, but of course you could do ranch.
What else? I don't know, ketchup's really popular.
Yeah, for sure.
Cheese sauce.
Whatever your heart desires. Dip it in. They're so crispy.
I really like the flavor from that Creole seasoning. I feel like it's not something we really see that often around here.
But it definitely spices it up considering we're eating broccoli and cauliflower.
Super delicious. Well, we hope you give these crispy veggies a try today.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit fastfoods.com.